Hey, this is Lily. I said earlier I was going to talk about a few things that are a must when you have ankle replacement. Of course, you're going to have your scooter. I personally had to have a wheelchair because it has my leg able to prop my leg up, and you're going to have a ramp. Um, we had this ramp when we built our home. We had a ramp, already in place, just something we'd done. So, anybody that's planning on having ankle replacement, like I said, the things that you should have is a shower chair, a leg scooter, crutches, wheelchair. I personally have a easy bed to get in and out. Um, I'm blessed to have a van that's easy to get in and out, and I can keep my leg elevated, so I've been able to travel just a little bit. Able to go to church. I was not able to go Sunday because Sunday was a bad day. Not bad as in a bad day, but I was just in a lot of pain. Sunday, Monday, I was about day 9 and 10. Um, it hurt to sleep at night. It just hurt 24/7. And I think the one reason I was in a lot of pain is my ankle was hurting really bad, and my knee and my leg. The scooter put lots of pressure on my ankle, or not my ankle, I'm sorry, but on my knee. And I have arthritis in my knees, so that would just like magnified everything. So, good luck on anybody that's watching this that's planning on going through ankle replacement. I think you'll do fine. So far, I'm doing fine. It's just really hard for me. I'm an active person to be confined to one area with your leg elevated. So keeping it elevated for the first 2 weeks is going to be tough. But my 2 weeks is about up here in the next 2 days. So it's countdown time for me to get this cast off. So stay tuned on Thursday and I'll show you that. Thanks.